Airbnb, let's go to a daily chart on this. Okay, we have a very clean descending triangle, relatively clean. Okay, we've got support here. Okay, support slowly stepping down. I prefer it be flat because this shows kind of a little bit of choppiness when you get lower and then slightly lower and then slightly lower. But this is the main support level, 162, that we're now approaching. So might want to see if this thing just flushes down. It closed right at the support. Right, it closed right at the support. Also going to mark that right there. Right, just to make sure I'm aware of it. Let's join our two most recent swing highs. Right? Also, a little bit of a, it's really falling resistance, which I don't love. It's easiest to short resistance that is ascending, right? Just the way that the chart breaks around it. So I don't love the fact that it's descending support. But the fact that it's coming up on this major level, right, it has me interested. See this cup, handle. But the cup and handle really should have flat bottom support, so that's why I'm just looking at it in this manner. Let's look at an extended session chart, right? We also have a little bit of a head and shoulders pattern here. Make sure I mark that. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Oh, okay. This is looking even better. I think I'd missed that. Right, because patterns within patterns are going to be more powerful. Shoulder, head, shoulder, neckline. This is a major, major level. It's been in play for a long time. It's going to make it solid. Turn on the label just to remind myself. Right there it is. There's your neckline. Airbnb, let's go to a daily chart. Okay, we've got this large. We've got a large wedge pattern forming. Large wedge pattern, right? This entire thing is a wedge pattern forming. Let's take a look at AMZN just to give you a little perspective on how large these wedges can be. Right? See this one, multi-month pattern. Multi-month pattern. But within that multi-month pattern, there's their own little patterns, right? This is a large multi-month pattern. But within it, you're going to get patterns formed. Look, here's a falling wedge. Right? Patterns within patterns. There's always going to be them. Okay? So just using that as an example. Let's go back to Airbnb. So we've got this large multi-month wedge forming, a descending triangle forming rather. But within it, I know we've got strong support here at 162. And we're drifting down into it. And yesterday we closed right at it. Right? And what I like about this is we bounced off that level on May 4th. Yesterday, we took back that entire day's move and closed at the low. This thing just closed super weak. Okay? And we've got this little shoulder, head, shoulder, right? So I think this thing could really break this neckline today.